Is Pact actually worth it, or is it just good marketing? In today's video, we're going to review the comfort, quality, value, and sustainability of this popular brand. So why Pact? Well, first of all, at Eco-Stylist, we only review clothes from brands that are Eco-Stylist certified, and Pact is an Eco-Stylist certified brand. I'll tell you more about what that means when we get into Pact's sustainability. Now, three popular reasons that people buy clothes from Pact. One is all their clothes, or the majority of their clothes, are made from organic cotton. So people looking for natural fibers, that's a popular reason people shop Pact. Number two, all their clothes are fair trade certified. So when people are looking to shop fair trade clothes, this is another reason people like to shop Pact. And number three, affordability. Of sustainable fashion brands, of the total sustainable fashion brands and the brands we certify, for example, Pact is one of the most affordable options. And this is another big reason that people shop Pact. In today's video, I'll be reviewing three men's pieces from Pact. Now I'm going to introduce the three pieces that I received from Pact. And before I do that, quick note, Pact did gift me these clothes. They sent them to me for free in exchange for my honest review. I will give you my honest review of these clothes and tell you exactly what I think. So first of the three pieces is the organic Daily Twill midweight pant in the color Storm by Pact. The color Storm, it's like a dark, gray, so kind of a cross between like black and gray. And you can also see the two shirts that I selected. This is the organic soft spun long sleeve Henley by Pact. And to give you a closer look at the shirts, the two colors I elected is pine green, and the other one is in French navy. Now, before I jump into the review of these three pieces, you may be wondering why I selected them. Well, Pact is really known for kind of, comfortable, casual clothing, right? And these three pieces are really emblematic of that. It's a very, casual, comfortable style clothing. And so I picked these three pieces so I could kind of review, kind of the staple clothing that Pact offers. The other thing that Pact is super popular for is their basics, like their tees, their underwear, socks, things like that. Let's get into my review of these clothes. The first thing I'm going to talk about is my first impressions as well as comfort. Now, you may have noticed I didn't do an unboxing of these clothes, and that's because I didn't just unbox them. I've actually had them for 2 months already. I've been wearing them, washing them, and putting them in my daily rotation. I've actually been trying to move away from unboxing videos and move more towards this style of video, as I think I can give you all, more value and more feedback and really like a more honest opinion about these clothes if I really test them out more thoroughly and really get the chance to try them, before we talk about them. Do you prefer this style of video as well? Let me know in the comments. So with that said, let's dive in to my first impressions. So my first impression of these clothes is it definitely meets my expectation for being comfortable, casual basics, right? Like from the moment I put them on, they were super comfortable. I've already washed them several times. Nothing has changed about them since washing them. Like the comfort and the softness remains the same. These clothes are super comfortable and soft, and I really enjoy wearing them. I prefer to put natural fibers on my body, and both of the shirts are 100% organic cotton, and the pants are 97% organic cotton and just 3% elastane, which they did to give the pants a little bit of stretch. There's a lot of reasons I prefer wearing natural fabrics over synthetics. One of them being that the clothes just smell better, right? You may notice that, with synthetics, your body odor smells are enhanced. And with natural fibers, they don't smell as bad. They're more breathable, things like that. Natural fibers are also better than synthetics because of things like microplastics, and also because when it comes to the clothes that are closest to your skin that you're wearing directly on your body, it's better not to have synthetics and, plastic-based fibers directly on your body like that. It's much better, for our health and wellness to have, organic, natural fibers. But back to the comfort, the pants are described as being midweight, and I would describe all three of these pieces as being like a light midweight for all three pieces. Like they're not super lightweight. They're definitely kind of more mid, but they also feel breathable. I'm somebody who runs hot, and I haven't felt too warm or too hot when wearing these clothes. Also, something I love about the comfort of these clothes is they fit really good into my lifestyle. As the founder of Eco-Stylist, I work completely remotely, I work from home, and these clothes are super comfortable to wear at home. Like I just want to live in them all day, but they also look good and they're stylish enough that I feel, super comfortable, if I need to go out, like if I need to go out, meet friends, go to the coffee shop, go to the grocery store, things like that, like I'm ready to go. Obviously, I don't feel like I'm wearing, the type of loungewear that I need to change before I leave the house. They're kind of good and ready for all occasions, and that's something I've really been enjoying. And to wrap wrap up my first impressions, let's also talk about the sizing of these clothes. I found them to be true to size. I used the size guides on Pact's website when ordering these three pieces, and the pieces fit me exactly as I would expect. Like all three of these pieces, they fit me well. I didn't have to return them or exchange them or anything like that. But yeah, all three of them fit me well. It's kind of a relaxed, comfortable fit, which is exactly what I was hoping for with these three pieces. Next up, let's talk about the quality of these three pieces. Now, like I mentioned, I've had these pieces for 2 months now. I've been wearing them and washing them, so I kind of have a good initial sense of their quality. But I will say the one downside is I can't review their quality to the same extent that I did when I reviewed the Asket clothing, which I'll have that video, linked here if you guys want to check that out. But obviously in that video, I reviewed t-shirts that I'd had for 5 years. And in that case, I'm able to give a much more in-depth analysis of the quality. At this point, this is a moment in time, right? So what I can give you is I can give you a analysis of their quality after 2 months, after washing them, wearing them, and kind of my impression of them at this point in time. So if I have to rate the quality of these three pieces at this moment in time, I'd probably give it about a medium score. And let me explain to you what I mean. So obviously the quality of these pieces is much higher than fast fashion. They're holding up great. I've had no issues with them. None of the stitching is coming apart. So I would probably say that the quality of these pieces is comparable to J. Crew or Nike, to compare it to brands that you're probably familiar with. Now, the reason that I said medium and not high is because my impression is that the quality is less than some other clothes that I've owned. For example, some super high quality clothes that I've owned and tested would include clothes from Nudie Jeans, Asket, Taylor Stitch, and Patagonia. These would be examples of brands that I would rate really high on the quality scale. A reality which we don't often like to admit when we're hunting for the best deal, for example, is that there is a trade-off between quality and price. While all the brands I just mentioned to you, I would rate the quality higher than these Pact pieces, these brands also all come with a higher price tag. So for the Pact pieces, I would say the quality is great for the price, and the quality is also comparable to brands with similar price points, like those I mentioned, J. Crew and Nike. I'll give you a closer look at some of the stitching on these pieces so you can just take a look at the quality firsthand for yourself. Now, before we move on from talking about the quality of Pact, while this is my first time reviewing clothing from Pact, I have tried their socks and underwear before. And speaking to the quality of those pieces lasted, far longer than I would have expected for what I paid for them, and I was really happy with the quality of those pieces. Hey, are you enjoying this video? Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot, and it really helps us grow. So now that we've evaluated the quality, let's talk about the value for money of these three pieces. So first, let me tell you the retail price of these three pieces. Sometimes you might be able to catch these on sale, but the two shirts retail for $48 each, and the pants retail for $98. So are these pieces worth the money? Well, first, let me explain how I would evaluate that. For me to evaluate if something is worth the money, first, the most important thing is that it fits into my wardrobe and I like wearing it, right? So it's got to meet my initial expectations there. Obviously, I selected these pieces because I was thinking about my wardrobe and how I was going to incorporate them, and I liked the style of them and everything like that. And so they did pass that first test, right? I love the way that they look and feel on my body. I want to wear them. I want to incorporate them into my wardrobe. So they kind of passed that first test of being worth the value for the money. For me, the second criteria then becomes the quality. Because if it's a piece that looks good on me, that I'm going to love wearing and using and incorporating into my wardrobe, then how long is it going to last, right? And what will be the long-term cost per wear? Like I mentioned, I would rate the quality of these pieces about medium, but for the price, I would say that the quality is right on par. So let's answer the question, is Pact worth the money? I would say these clothes are absolutely worth the money because I enjoy wearing them. I'm going to wear the heck out of them, and I expect them definitely to last long enough that they're going to be worth the value of that original price point. If you guys are enjoying this video, I could make a future video where I get into the cost per wear of these Pact items and I have data to support all that, let's say after at least a year of wearing them. If that's something you all would be interested in, please let me know in the comments and I'll consider that for a future video. Next up, let's talk about how to style these three pieces from Pact. I'm going to show you how I would wear them when leaving the house, including how I would pair them with layers and shoes. Now, obviously, these three pieces look great together, and I picked them for that exact reason, right? The pants are kind of, like I mentioned, like a medium, gray tone, and that medium gray color looks great with both green as well as blue, right? So I picked these three pieces specifically so that I could wear the pants with either shirt. And as you can see here, when I pair these pieces together, they look great. They look exactly how I expected, and I'm really happy with the style of these pieces. For casual, comfortable clothing, it's a great option. Now, when it comes to what shoes to pair with these clothes, really you have a lot of options, right? You'll see here that I'm pairing them with black sneakers, right? And why am I doing that? Well, sneakers are a great choice because it's casual, comfortable clothing. Also, I chose black because a dark color is going to pair well with these dark pants. But you're certainly not limited by that. There's a variety of other shoes you could easily pair this with, including white sneakers, things like that. Black sneakers are my preference here for this look, but it's far from your only option. You could also obviously pair these clothes with more casual shoes as well. Things like, Huarache sandals or just sandals in general, right? If you're going for a really casual vibe, really laid back. You could also pair them with things like Chelsea boots, for example. And when it comes to layers, kind of the same deal. You've got tons of options. Here you'll see that I layered the outfit with a lightweight long sleeve zip jacket from the brand Icebreaker. I've got the zip jacket in black, which is great because it's going to pair with either shirt, and black pretty much matches anything. But really, when it comes to layering, you have a lot of options with this outfit, right? It would also look great if you paired it with a sweatshirt, for example. If you're trying to dress it up a bit, it is a casual, comfortable outfit, but you can dress it up a bit. And the way that you might do that is you might wear like a real sweater, over it, or a cardigan, for example. And then you might pair it with like, slightly nicer shoes, although nothing, nothing too fancy. Obviously, you can also pair this outfit with jackets, like a jacket from, Patagonia or any other brand. So yeah, really there's a lot of options with this outfit. Now, while these pieces obviously look great together, another reason that I chose these three pieces is that they fit perfectly into my minimalist capsule wardrobe. They look great like I'm doing here, but I could also pair either of these Henleys with, jeans, for example, or I could pair the pants with pretty much any of my shirts because, since the pants are like a dark gray color, they go good with most things. So in addition to being able to style these pieces together, they also offer a lot of versatility, and you can style them with other pieces in your wardrobe as well. Now, let's talk about Pact's sustainability. Now, I don't have to research or evaluate Pact for you here in this video because we've already done that, right? Like I mentioned before, Pact is an Eco-Stylist certified brand. At Eco-Stylist, my team and I, we research brands thoroughly for ethics and sustainability, and we only ever promote fashion brands to you all that we've already certified and verified through our research. Pact actually earned Eco-Stylist's silver rating, which is our second highest rating in Eco-Stylist. Our three ratings are certified, silver, and gold. And to give you a quick overview of our research, we basically research brands in three main pillars. Transparency, so that's like looking at their supply chain; fair labor, so things like living wages, benefits for clothing makers, etc., and sustainably made, which looks at all the environmental impacts of the clothing. If you're interested in deep diving into how we research and evaluate brands, we actually have a video where we do an overview of the entire process. So if you're interested in that, I'll have that video linked here for you in the cards where you can see our entire research criteria. So back to Pact, how did they perform in our assessment? Pact earned a score of fair in transparency, excellent in fair labor, and good in sustainably made. So you may be wondering, what are the opportunities for improvement for Pact? Well, if Pact wanted to achieve our gold rating, the biggest opportunity for improvement would obviously be in our transparency section. And basically what that means is if they shared more information about their entire supply chain, this would increase their score in our assessment and probably bump them to the gold rating. So like I mentioned, I don't have to evaluate Pact's sustainability since we already did that, but if you guys want to learn more, I'm going to have Pact's brand rating linked in the video description for you all to check out and see exactly how we evaluated them. Now, I will give you a high-level overview of some of the things Pact is doing well, just so you have a sense of how they earned points in our assessment. The thing that earned Pact the most points in our assessment is their fair trade certification. Like I mentioned, they have a score of excellent in fair labor, and this is the main reason why. And so if you're not familiar with fair trade certified, this is pretty much the best certification that a factory can have, a clothing making factory, to help ensure fair labor standards. Now, when I say the best certification a factory can have, factories don't necessarily need to be certified, but if you're going to compare certifications and audits, for example, certifications generally are better than audits, right? And of the certifications, fair trade is basically the highest bar. And so what that means is some of the things that we look for in our fair labor section is do the clothing makers earn living wages? Do they earn benefits? As well as, does the brand help give money back to the community where that factory is based? And in the case of fair trade certified, it checks all of those boxes. Something you may not know about fair trade certification is that it also requires certain environmental things, like that the factories are working on certain things like water saving. And so it also earns them some points in our environmental section as well. In addition to this, some other things that earned Pact points in our assessment is that the majority of their fabrics are sustainable fabrics. Like I mentioned, most of Pact's clothes are made from organic cotton. So this obviously earned them points in our assessment, as well as things like sustainable packaging, etc. Like I mentioned, if you all want to learn more about what makes Pact a sustainable brand, I'll have that linked for you in the video description. So finally, let's answer the question, is Pact worth it? The answer is yes. I would say that Pact is absolutely worth it. In this video, we went through all the pros and cons of the brand, anything from quality to first impressions to value for money to their sustainability. And I would say across the board, I showed you, all the positives as well as all the negatives. And I would say that Pact is definitely worth it. I mean, first off, obviously, it's a sustainable fashion brand, like I mentioned, Eco-Stylist certified. As far as comfort and first impressions, everything was great there. When it came to quality, I rated the brand about a medium. But then when we talked about, value for money, this is also one of the more affordable sustainable fashion brands. So when you account for, cost and quality, it's definitely a great purchase for the money. So for all these reasons, we definitely recommend Pact. It's a great option for affordable quality pieces for your wardrobe. It's great for, basics, underwear, as well as comfortable casual clothing. I hope you all enjoyed our video review of Pact. What do you think? Would you buy from Pact? And what matters most to you? Price, quality, or ethics? Or is it all three? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, dress like you give a damn.